I gave it a try and it's helped me out a lot.
Do you remember how long you've been a patient on this program?
Year and a half.
What got you into trying this out, if you remember?
Well, I had a lot of medical issues from being a veteran and everything. I just thought the medical marijuana would help me out, and plus it's legal. I gave it a try and it's helped me out a lot.
What was it like before you started? What were your symptoms like? And what is it like now?
Most of my symptoms are from injuries and diseases. Like I've had hepatitis C, which made you nauseous. I was nauseous for 9 years. I didn't actually quit being nauseous until I got the treatment, and then the medical marijuana helped that a lot. And then I had malaria twice, Guillain-Barré. So I had so many diseases, my body just sometimes doesn't feel right. And now with the medical marijuana and everything, I just feel better all the time. I sleep better, eat better. I mean, I was okay before, but now everything's better.
Did you see any differences?
Well, he just seems more content. He's more relaxed, in my opinion. He's much more mellow. And now it seems like he thinks before he speaks, and I think we're just happier now because he's just happier himself. He feels better about himself and everything. So I think it's helped a lot with our relationship, especially.
That's a great side effect.
Yes, it is.